Hello everyone, hello guys. I am back again with another video, guys. In today's video, guys, do you actually know that you can actually browse for free using your Android smartphone? Yes, the answer is yes, and in this video that's what I'm going to review. Do you understand? There is this particular method I've been using. It's working perfectly for me, and I decided to let it out for many of you out there who could not purchase the high cost of data nowadays. You get? So in this phone, I'll be using this phone to share my screen here by the side to show you how you can actually go about with this particular method. Do you understand? So if today is your first time coming to this channel, it is very, very important to subscribe to this channel because I drop tips on how you can actually get cheapest data at affordable price. Monthly, daily, a week or 2 weeks plan is what I talk about in this video. And equally, I do a tutorial on how to actually make money on this video if I see a legit channel. Do you understand? So without saying much, guys, let us dive into the full tutorial video. So what I'll be doing is this: I'll be using this phone to show you how to do that. Do you understand? So subscribe, turn on notification sign so you always get notified whenever what I drop an amazing tutorial video like this. So first thing I need to do is just to head over to Play Store and show you guys the app you need to download. Do you understand? So X recorder. First, let me start my screen recorder on this phone. Okay, now, so first thing you need to do is this. Let me on my data first. So I have on my data. Then after I've on my data now, let me go to Play Store. The app you need to download is this app. Just go to Play Store. So once you go to your Android Play Store, I don't know about iPhone, but I'm very 100% sure about your Android smartphone using this application. Do you understand? So once you come to this place now, this is what you need to search for. Search for this name here. You search for, so come back to this place, then you search for what? Search for force. Now you see, search for this force 4G to 5G network. So once you search, as you can see, I have downloaded the app already. That's why it is showing me opening. Do you understand? So all I need to do is just to click on open. But if you've not downloaded this app for the first time here, it will tell you to install. Do you understand? So as you can see, my own is telling me to open the app. So once it simply means is I've downloaded this application. So once you're done doing this, what you need to do is just to tap on it after you've installed this app. So once you tap on it, this is how it will open. Do you understand? So once the stuff has opened like this, you click on next. Tap on this next here. So once you tap on this next, it will take you to another continue. So you have to allow, just allow, then here you allow everything. Do you understand? Then once you've allowed, this has been granted. So once you tap to open the app, can you see it has opened successfully? So once it has opened, this is what you will see. This is how it will get you. You understand? So once you get yourself to this place, don't worry. This is where the magic will happen. But I'm begging you, if at this point you don't subscribe to this channel, it is very, very important you do that. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notification sign, and like this video. Do you understand? Very, very important. Good. Then after that, now what you need to do is to tap on this place that says what method 2 into bracket Android 11 plus. So this is where you need to tap. Are you seeing that? Good. So once you tap here, this is where it will bring you to. Don't bother yourself about this coding stuff that you are seeing here. Do you understand? You just don't need to bother yourself. Now first thing you need to do is this. Watch me please. Is you tap here. If this place is not enabled, you tap to that place. If when you open yours is like this, all you need to do is just to tap here to enable this. So once you've enabled this, next thing you need to do is to tap here. You tap on these three dots above here. Watch me. Watch where you will tap. Just tap on these three dots above here. Can you see? So once you tap on that three dots, once you tap on these three dots, so once you tap on these three dots here, So once you tap on that three dots, it will bring you to this place. Sorry. So it will bring you to this place. So what you need to select this part that says what enable data connection. But before I will enable the data connection, this is what I have to do. So as you can see, my data is on. So what I need to do is just to put my phone on flight mode to show you guys that yes, you can actually browse for free. Do you understand? So can you see my phone is on flight mode already? And if you should look above, can you see it's on flight mode? If you should look above, it's on flight mode. Now, this is what I need to do. I need to tap on this enable data connection. So once I tap on this enable data connection, so tap here to enable the radio power. So I've enabled the radio power. Now, next thing I need to do is to tap here. Once you tap on that three dots, you tap on this place that says disable data connection. So once you click on disable data connection, now let's go back and go to Chrome browser. If you can see, my phone is on flight mode, so just go to your Chrome browser. Then once you come to your Chrome browser, search for anything at all you want to search for. So come here. So let me search for mango. So let me search for mango. This mango, then you hit your search. So let's see, can you see it is telling us no network available? Do you understand? Now this is what I have to do. I have to come back to this app. Then once you come back to this app, tap on this place, then you tap on disable. Can you see? So once you tap on disable data connection, now come back and search for the same mango. Can you see it's already opening? So search for mango. Can you see? I am browsing without network. My this thing is on flight mode. Can you see the mango has opened? Now you can do anything. You can even download anything you want to download using this method. Now let's come here and search for Niger nigerloaded.com. So once you search for nigerloaded.com, go to nigerloaded.com, it will open. Remember, I'm still on flight mode, but I'm able to access the internet for free, guys. It works like magic. It works like magic. There is no capping about it. So if there's any part of this video you don't understand, let me know in the comment section so I will do the tutorial for you. Do you understand? But this is just the best and easiest way you can actually do what? Browse the internet for free without paying time, guys. Without paying them. So please, I am begging you, subscribe to this channel to help the growth of this channel. Like this video, share this video to more people, and let me know in the comment section if this video works for you. Do you understand? Let me know in the comment section if this works for you. But believe me, it will definitely work for you. But I don't know that of iPhone, but Android phones, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching this great length, and catch you guys on my next tutorial video. Bye bye for now, guys.